Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to blur a photo using InShot app. Whether you are editing photos or videos and want to protect someone's privacy or just create a cool effect, this is a great technique to know. So let's get started. Open the InShot app. Go ahead and select the photo that you want to edit. Now select the photo that you want to blur and it will open up. Now to blur the photo, simply tap on to Detail and open it. Once you open the details section, here you can find the blur effect. Now simply tap on it. Here you can also change the shapes of blur effect. Tap on to one which you like the most. Now adjust the blur effect to the photo like this. Now here you can also adjust the intensity using the slider at the bottom, just like this. You can also change the intensity from this side of the button also, like this. Then tap on to check mark and there you have it. You have successfully blurred the photo that you wanted. It's a quick and easy way to protect privacy or add a cool effect to your photos. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.